Everyone, happy Halloween. Today I'm going to be looking at SPY, and I'm going to be doing a pre-market prediction, a couple hours before the market opens. I'm going to show you kind of like my process on how I detect what's going to happen with the price today, using pretty much these paid indicators. Now, I'm going to get to this later, but first thing I really look at is, I load up the Algo Pro indicators, they're paid indicators, but I go and I get the Algo Pro version 1.2, which is a paid indicator. I'll put the link below if you guys want to get it. But that's the one I look at first before the day starts. And what I look for is they did a new update where it shows you support and resistance. So the support and resistance really help a lot, especially in the stock market, because right here you could actually see with SPY, you could see what's happening. So where the market stopped on the Friday, we see it going above 386 right here, and I'm on the hour. So it went above 386, but if you look closely, you'll notice that there's no other level of support unless it reaches 427. So unless the price skyrockets to 427, it's not going to remain bullish for, in my opinion, it's not going to be bullish for very long. What's going to end up happening, you see that the moments of close on Friday here, it just peaked above it. But if it doesn't stay above 386, it's going to shoot right down between 386 and 376. So my prediction today is I don't think it's going to have, I think SPY has a lot going on today, but I don't think it has enough momentum to keep going up and up and up, because it will not hold unless it goes above 427, which I really do not see that happen. I do not see enough momentum to push it all the way up there. So my prediction, it's going to go down. It's going to go down between 386 and 376 today. So knowing this, my next strategy going, if I were to be doing options today, I personally look at it on the hour, because with my schedule, I only, I want to get those. I don't want to do a lot of option trades. I want to be able to stretch it out for maybe a day or two. So I look at it on the hour, and I'll do my options, and then I'll sell maybe in a day or two, because I don't focus on the 5 minute. You're focused too much on the chart. But we can look at the 5 minute if we want. But I focus on the hour. So if it goes down to 376, it might bounce back up, but it's going to fluctuate between this right here today. Is what I'm predicting, pre-market predictions. So what do I do? So knowing that I think that it's going to be going in this range between this today, my next action to be, knowing that I think that it's going to drop, I'll turn off the indicators, and the next thing that I want to look at is the 1348 EMA. So knowing that I think that it's going to drop, I probably would not get in unless the 1348 cross. And knowing that I think that it's going to go down, I would wait for the 13 to cross down to the 48 before I actually make my move, because I think that it's going to be going down. If it does cross somewhere around here, it'll dip a little bit down. It's because when the 1348 crosses, it's just another confirmation that it pretty much, because every time that it crosses with the 1348, it pretty much didn't cross right there. But you see it cross right here. Let's turn it back on. You see it cross right here, and it goes up. Crosses up, and it goes up. and then it crossed down right there and it went down. So you see right here, these are still this is still the support right there, and you see it cross and it went down. So that's the next thing I look for. And after that, after the cross, the next thing I look for are, if I want more confirmation, I would probably wait until the indicator signaled a buy and sell. Basically, a sell means put, a buy means call. But I would check for that, and I would also look at, for another confirmation, is I would look at the Algo Pro. I think this is an Algo Pro indicator. It's called the reverse sweep. And what this basically will do is it will tell you if we're going to be bearish or we're going to be bullish. And right here you can see the signal is bearish. Up here it says bearish, and then up here it says bullish. So I look for those confirmations. So that's what I would do if I was watching the price today. But pretty much it's basically my prediction. It's going to go down. I think it's going to be rather choppy today, but it won't have enough momentum to keep going up, because it needs to hold up to 427. That's not going to happen. That is not going to happen. I predict it's going to go down. But that's just my prediction, and that's kind of the process I do when it comes to doing looking at stocks. Now, doing with stocks is different than my process with doing it with just regular day trading. Because with stocks, you got to kind of know which direction it's going to go. If this was just a regular day trade with like crypto or something, I would just wait for, I would wait for it to see the 1348 cross and go up. And you don't really have to take as much time to look at the charts, but that's what I would do. So my predictions today for SPY, I think it's going to be choppy, and it's going to be going down between the range of 386 and 376. That's my prediction. I'll wait and see what happens today. I might come in tomorrow and give you another prediction, but we'll see where the market goes. Anyway, that's my prediction today, and my process of how I would do options with this. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in future videos.